Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Life Reboot. My name is Dave and today we are here with a technical unboxing. This is the Portronics Key2 combo. This is a mouse and a keyboard combo. Let us go around the box and then we'll proceed with the unboxing. So on the side, latest technology, 2.5 gigahertz wireless technology. So yeah, almost these days most of the wireless technology is 2.4 gigahertz. Noiseless experience, soft and silent button. Okay, the keyboard has noiseless button. Multimedia shortcut key functions, we'll see about that. Intelligent energy saving design. All right, so they have marketed this as an intelligent saving. We'll see that. I'll do the complete review of that soon. Stay tuned for that. And wireless technology, long distance transmission. All right, I think the range of this one is around 30 feet what they have written, but again I will confirm that in the review video of this. So in the side, nothing, simple branding. Yeah, on this side, on the back, it's also the same. And this side, brand name Portronics, model is Key2 combo POR 372, color is black. All right, the MRP of this is listed as 1499, but you can get this at Amazon, from Amazon, for around 999, and if there is some offer you can get it for even less. And I think this is made in China, New Delhi customer. Yeah, country of origin is China. And there is a certification, BIS certification from the Indian government, so that is good. And it has a 1 year warranty. All right, now let's go ahead and see what is in the box. Plastic seal here. All right, simple cardboard box. All right, nothing much. We are greeted by the keyboard. It is wrapped in a plastic packet. Let me put this aside for the moment. And we have this user manual. Let me just open that. There is a product specification, mouse and keyboard, and yeah, important safety on this side. Introduction. Yeah, Windows 2000, Vista, Mac. All right, so this is compatible with Mac. This is one good thing. um, Workable USB port. Okay, instructions, mouse not working, keyboard not working. All right, some troubleshooting data is there. And this is the mouse, but there is a slot. Oh, I guess this was for battery, but one thing is that the Portronics do not provide the battery with this pack itself. So just a few days back we did the unboxing of the Logitech. So one thing I liked about that was the Logitech Nano. Let me just show you. We did the unboxing of this one, and I'll be doing the comparison of this to keyboard really soon. So this one actually had batteries provided. So let's keep that aside. So when I when I was trying to buy this, I was actually looking for a direct comparison between these two, but I could get it nowhere, in no articles, no videos, not even an image. So I will do that. Stay tuned for that. And I will do that because these two are very similar in shape and it's in the same price bracket. So subscribe if you haven't, and that will come very soon. So let's open the keyboard. All right, quite lightweight, and plastic is quite silent. So it has a chiclet pattern of the keyboard, as you can see. So that will be helpful if you do not want dust to go inside in between your keyboard. Another good thing which I like about this is they have these LED buttons. If the battery is low, it will be shown here. So that is one good thing that is not in every product that we see. Turning it, we have this foot pegs, so that you can adjust the height of your keyboard. So that's nice. And here they have some rubber gasket, so to provide grip on your table. Some screws, and the sticker here, some screws. All right, a small slot for the battery. Let's see if it's one battery or two battery. That is nice. It just takes one AA battery. So that is one good point, because most of the keyboards take two batteries. I guess it was written that it is power saving mode, so something like that. They're using some power saving technique here. So the thickness of this is like this, quite slim, I would say. It's almost like a low profile keyboard. And coming to the front, this has 79 keys, as you can see. Another thing is it has full directional keys. We saw earlier some other the small keyboards, the mini keyboards at this range, the up and down buttons are really smooshed together, so it is not the case here. And here on the top row, this is function buttons. So they have this Windows opener, volume up, down till here. Alright, now coming to the mouse. Very lightweight, silent action. I'm clicking the button. It's almost silent. One thing which you might get confused while seeing this picture, as I was not sure of that, is you see the scroll wheel here, it's almost like a round. So some mouse, they have 360 degrees scrolling. I thought maybe this one also had 360 degrees scrolling, but this is just for show. It will just scroll up and down, so it does not have 360 degrees scrolling even when it seems like a wheel on the top. So be careful of that. And quite lightweight. It's a plastic, a little bit of glitter here, so that's a nice touch. And the red is a good contrast. And coming to the back, all these things. So another thing which I saw is it does not have a power on off button, neither on the keyboard or on this mouse. Let's see how much battery this one takes. So just a single AA battery, that's nice. And we have the nano Bluetooth dongle here. So that's it for today, guys. I will be doing the full review of this very soon, and also I'll be doing the comparison video between the Portronics Key2 combo and the Logitech Nano keyboard and mouse combo very soon. Stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay safe and check out one of our latest videos here. Goodbye.